I'm excited to introduce you to this month's subscription box, and this month we're obviously doing Halloween. This kit is called Spooky Scary Skeletons, inspired by this awesome holographic skeleton paper. We don't usually include pattern papers in these subscription boxes, but we had to include this with those holographic skeletons. So cool. So let me go ahead and walk you through what's included in this. Of course, each month we start with a beautiful Encore color palette. This month it's obviously inspired by Halloween. We've got Encore Mardi Gras, Encore Textured Black, Encore Slate Blue, Encore Marigold, and Encore Goldfish. So a couple different colors of orange, whether you like traditional bright orange or that pumpkin spicy orange, you've got both. Now our goal with these is always to introduce you to new papers that maybe you've missed in the shop or you normally, wouldn't purchase because you're not sure what to do with them, and get them in your hands so you can play with them and start discovering everything that we have in the shop, because we now have over 4,000 different papers at 12 by 12 Cardstock shop. So specifically this slate blue, this color I think often gets overlooked, but it's such a cool like smoky gray that I for sure wanted to include it in this month's kit. So beyond the Encore, we've got holographic. This is Encore Wavy Blocks, and it's just like a cool kind of funky psychedelic Halloween holographic paper. This is our new Encore Iridescent paper. It starts silver and then it has kind of a yellowish purplish hue, so highly reflective, of course, you can see that. Next we have Star Dream. This is crystal and it's a pearlescent white. Thought this would be really fun for ghosts. Also, I think this would be really fun for ghosts too, which is why we included that. Then we have a couple purples. We have our Glitter Luxe purple. It's a highly reflective purple glitter. We have Miri Holographic purple. This has that cool flowing lava pattern. Then we have our Sequin Holographic Black. So this has got this glitter's actually like hexagon shaped, has a little bit of a holographic shimmer to it. Then we have a flat black glitter. This like really kind of looks like velvet because of the way the light hits it. Then we have a polka dot coordinations, and these little dots are actually like velvet. So this is a really fun, kind of reminds me of like maybe a coffin liner. And then of course the holographic skeletons. And we've got a sheet of Raven Dot acetate. This is a clear paper. These look really cool. Kate has made some really awesome cards where this is the base of your card and it's see-through. So many fun possibilities with this acetate. Of course, it's also great for shaker card windows, anything where you want to be able to see through. Then we have Basil Dotted Swiss Festive, and this has that embossed dot pattern. And then we're finishing off with a sheet of Pumpkin Vellum, which is really fun for accents and again for shaker windows, any kind of layering you want to do with that. And then of course each kit includes exclusive papers that we don't reveal. You get a surprise when you receive it, but I will say this month the papers are inspired by spider webs and mummy cloth. So when you get those papers, that's how to use them. They're spider webs and mummy cloth in paper form. This month, our bonus class are these cute Halloween shelf sitters that double as treat boxes. There's 4 to choose from, 4 different characters, and you'll get the SVG files and the complete class tutorial. All right, so that is it. We are excited to begin shipping this to your homes. Thank you so much for supporting our Happy Mailbox. It's so delightful to put these together each month. We have so much fun creating the projects and picking out the papers and just envisioning how you're all going to use them. So this is a fun one. If you're a Halloween lover, go ahead and grab this and you'll have all these spooky cool papers to play with.